If you've already planned out where you're going to move rotational actions to outside of just farm, for example in a spreadsheet, then you can actually bulk upload that information into just farm rather than having to do it again in the platform. So the way to do that would be to come to the left menu here and come all the way down to history and imports. And if you come in here, you'll see this option called action import. And when you come through here, basically this is asking you to upload a CSV or Excel file with the action information in it. So the first thing we want to do here is choose an agreement that this is tied to. So it'll give you a list of the agreements on the farm. So we'll say this is our SFI agreement. Then you can choose a global start and end date. So if it's a rotation and you're moving, and you know you're moving them all on and off of these parcels at the same time, then you could set this global date. If you have different dates for each of the actions on each of the parcels, you can put those dates in the CSV file instead. So this is just optional if you know they're all going to have the same start and end date. And then all you have to do is drag and drop the CSV file in here, and it'll bulk kind of add them and update them and on the farm in the system. So down here at the very bottom there are a couple of examples. So there's two formats the system accepts, so it gives you examples of those formats here. The first one, which is kind of the most common one that people I've seen using, would be a row for each of the actions on each of your parcels. So you would have parcel ID, then the action code, the coverage area, the coverage unit, and then the start and end date of the action on that parcel. And then there's another row for the next action, coverage, and so on and so forth. The other format you could do is have a row for each land parcel, and then have a column where all of the actions are listed out with a value for their coverage area. Either of those, whichever kind of suits you, or whichever you've kind of been using, just put it together like that and drag and drop the file in here, and those actions and date ranges and coverage areas and parcel ID links will be updated on the farm in the system.